Hello everybody, welcome back to Crazy Country Couponers, and I'm Jenny the Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm super excited for a couple of reasons. Most importantly, I'm extremely grateful. And you want to know, and I'm going to tell you about it, so come on in. And like the video on your way, everybody. When you come by here, you come into my house, so come on in. And if you've never been to my house before, well, you come on in too and have a listen, have a seat. But on your way in, like the video, please. It's a way to not spend any time, any money, and help somebody out. Quick clip. And also talking about helping people out, let me help you out. Subscribe below and become one of our crazy friends, and that way you don't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information, and just hanging out at my house with our crazy friends. It's a good place to be. Alright, everybody, you want to know what I'm grateful for? Because I was in an F1 tornado, and I'm still here. Yes. Closest I've ever come. All around me, I've got a few trees down, but all in all, I'm safe, and my property is pretty much undamaged compared to everybody else's. So blessings and hallelujah. And thank you guys, because you know what this is from? All this good vibes and goodwill, it's because of us. And the camaraderie and friendship and love that we share amongst our group. It brings good stuff. So thank you. And thank the higher up. So that's why I didn't post anything yesterday. Even though there's lots and lots and lots for us to talk about. So there's going to be a few videos, so please watch them all. There'll be something very interesting in all of them, including this fabulous glitch right here. And I want to thank Crazy Coupons for this deal, because she posted it first, at least confirmed it first, because I haven't gotten out yet. So let's talk about what's going on. Well, we've got dog food. Though I don't need the dog food anymore, I do need the cat food. So, let's talk about what's going on. We got some new coupons to begin with. On this guy right here, the Caesar Simply Crafted Adult Wet Dog Food Meal Topper Chicken Carrots and Green Beans. Look at this, guys. This is important. Do not clip the $2.50. Clip that $5 off the multi-pack. Okay. $5 off the multi-pack, because it's going to attach to one of these. Now, let's have a look, because I wanted to show you something. Wow, this is interesting. I already had some Dove in my cart. So, let's have a look real quick at what this does to this Dove deal. We added the Caesars. It's free, okay? And your coupon did attach. And then we got another $5.50 off of the Dove, because we are double dipping on the Dove. And we've got the Dove Anti-Frizz Oral Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner, 2 count, and it's regularly $8.25. And we got the Dove Cool Essentials Dry Spray Antiperspirant, 3.8 ounce. That's normally $8.45. This turned out to be a really good deal. Deals applied. We had double dip deal here, and we had a savings of $10.50 off of a $19 purchase. And this is at a newer operating system store. Your out-of-pocket is $10.10. This is an awesome deal. So we like that winner chicken dinner. But that's not the deal I was meant to show you guys. So we're going to get rid of this. It's how I stumble onto stuff sometimes. And then we're going to go back because we're going to pick up some little Sheba. Right here. Again, do not clip the other coupon for little Sheba. We're going to clip this $4 off one multi-pack. Now, we have multi-packs, the 6-packs for $7.75. Look at this, guys. An out-of-pocket of $2.06 at a newer operating system store on your pickup. I don't know about inside the store, but on your pickup, this is $2.06. Winner chicken dinner. And the only way that this is $2.06, that's if you're getting overage at a newer operating system store. And normally you do not get overage in the newer operating system stores. So do this deal in a pickup order. This store that I am using is not a newer operating system store, and it is doing overage on a pickup order. And so this is an awesome deal. Your out-of-pocket is actually $1.05. Your tax is $1.01. So a total of $2.06. So this is an awesome, phenomenal glitch for your fur babies. So put your shoes on, run out there and get it, because it's not going to last. And you may have problems finding this Caesar Simply. But either way it goes, the Sheba Perfect Portions cat food for $3.75 for a 6-pack, that's a winner all by itself. So if you got fur babies, go take advantage of this deal and do it today, because all this stuff's going to be gone. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon, because we've got tons, and I mean tons, of awesome deals to do this week.